This is Deborah from Baby Wearing in Canada, and we are going to see a product demo. So this is Evangeline. She is the proud owner of Love My Life Boutique, based out of Calgary. Her products are made in Calgary, and she is very proud of her dad, who comes and helps her out often. And it was just the sweetest thing because he just said that she was the best gift she's ever received. Now, with a lot of family-based businesses, everyone pitches in order to make it a success. So he's had to demo the nursing top.
Yes.
And so this I need to see as an advocate for father involvement.
So when I'm demonstrating this to mothers or future mothers around me, I'll show them that I'll put this around my neck, right? Mm-hmm. Bring it right down my shoulder, right down, to show them the length of the product and how much it covers. And then I tell them, suppose if my baby was 50 pounds, that's how it will go. All right? But the whole idea of the 50-pound baby is to show them that you still have your privacy even though it's stretched.
Right, because you were saying you wanted this feature because you were still nursing with a 3-year-old toddler.
And for me, it was still, in my culture, I do cover myself when I breastfeed. I'm not comfortable to breastfeed.
Well, Canadians as well. I mean, those who are, unlike myself, who is a Portuguese background and walk around naked in the house, that's not what many Canadians do. So they have very body conscious, and they want to, not have their toddler flash them to the entire planet.
And so for me, it was really important. It was really important for it to be long. The length of it is actually based on one of my dad's old extra large T-shirts, because that's what my mom used to make these covers.
So this cover has a family history because she used her dad's old T-shirt that her mom used to nurse them as the base model, which is when we saw her dad wearing it, and Winfred had it all the way down. I mean, if you happen to be nursing a 4 or 5-year-old, it would still fit. Well, thank you very much for showing me and talking to me about your product. This is Deborah from Baby Wearing Canada with the first nursing cover demonstration by Winfred. Have yourselves a good day.